It was just in the ground.
Hey guys, welcome to the KL2510. Please subscribe to our page. With garden season starting, we decided to add a little addition to our farm this year, and we went from 14 horsepower, no four-wheel drive, so two-wheel drive Yanmar, correct, tractor, which has worked great. It was gifted to us by my husband's father, and we've used it for how many years now?
Probably 15.
Probably 15 years. Use it for all kind of projects around the house. It's great. But we did need to upgrade because our gardens seem to keep getting bigger. We got retainer walls to build. We got all kind of gravel to spread around here. There's always something to do. So we upgraded to this 25 horsepower four-wheel drive with a bucket, and we have a which I said earlier, I said a plow, but it's a tiller. And because we do have a good tiller, but it's a walk behind Troy built great tiller, and it's great for going down the aisles, keeping the weeds out, things like that, building up rows. And we'll show you that as we did it this year. But we actually got a decent size. How wide is that, you think?
50 inches.
So we got 50-inch plow, 50-inch bucket. It's a little smaller, right?
Let me back up. 60 inches, 48 inches.
Yeah. Four-wheel drive. It's hydrostat transmission. So it's not like hard to shift the gears. The Yanmar was kind of tricky. I know I never drove the Yanmar, but we kind of like pop off a little bit, almost pop a little wheelie. This one should be a lot smoother, and this one should be something that we have 3 daughters, and my husband, usually it's my husband, my daughter, and one of my other daughters out here, and my granddaughter. And so this is something that we will also be able to operate pretty easily, hopefully. So we're going to try that out this year. And this is a Kioti KL2510. We got a great deal on it. Had 48 hours on it, or 58 hours on it. So it was like brand new, still under warranty, everything. So we're super excited. I wanted a little bit bigger tractor, but for what my husband thought we needed, this was a size he wanted to go with. So you can't get a tractor too big where it doesn't get into small areas and things like that you need it to. We also have a bush hog that we'll have to go with this. And what else are we going to add to it?
We got a box blade. We got
box blade, plows, other yeah. So we have discs, like several things. We have a small farm, but we wish we had this when we used to rescue horses and things like that, digging out, because you can dig out stalls with it. It's a great size again, dig out stalls. We do have a mini mule, so we'll be able to pull in there and clean out the stall a lot easier, which we need to do because we've had a lot of rain. And then we have a little blind goat. He's supposed to be a big goat, but he's a little goat. So we clean out his stall and things like that with it. What else we got plans? We got retainer walls. What else? You named like 50 things this weekend that you're going to do. So we have a lot of things we're going to do with it, and we'll share it with you as we do, kind of tell you how it works for us. But we're very excited about this and to see how it does with our garden season. We normally have 2 to 3 garden areas. The last few years we've been working 2 areas, and we kind of alternate what we plant in each area. And what sizes are they going to be this year?
This one's 50 by 50, and this one's 50 by 50.
Yes, we have a 50 by 50, another 50 by 50, and then we're going to have some retainer garden areas. And also we plant things along the fence row too, away from the garden. So edit that out. So we have I might just leave it in there. The wind's really bad today. So we're excited. Hopefully this is something that we can use also, and us girls not have no problem. And somebody had back surgery on us 2 years ago, garden season. So
Left us stranded.
do what?
Left us stranded.
Yeah, he left us stranded.
We did okay.
We did pretty good. Not as good as he would have liked for us to do, but you know, that's what he gets for bailing on us.
It wasn't as clean and
back surgery.
upkept, but
So this is a smoother riding machine too than we had. My granddaughter was out here the other day attempting to drive it and was having a good time. So she had assistance. So don't freak out. But anyways, we're super excited. We'll share with you guys after we do some other videos with it. And hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Subscribe. I'm going to show y'all why it's clean. Some video of it. Or pictures of it, I should say.